Hi guys, welcome to my man cave. This is where most of our prototyping takes place. Our tests, our experiments, whatever. Today I'd like to show you how our lockable mechanism works in our lockable mullions. This is the piece that unlocks the latch mechanism at the top of the post. And how it works is this is slid inside the post and a cylinder is injected through the side of the post. The tab on the back of the cylinder pushes on this slider. The slider lifts the latch out of the way so that you can remove the post. I'd like to show you an easy way to install the cylinder and the cylinder nut inside the post. We've set a post up so that you can see inside as we're changing the cylinder. Normally you just lay this post on a bench or on a table, sit on a chair, and you'll be able to work at it comfortably. Now we're going to remove this cylinder. I use a flat bladed screwdriver, and using the edge of the post here as a fulcrum, and you can see how I can rotate the nut off. Once it's loose, you can get your finger in there and rotate the nut. At this point, once it's loose, I can roll it over flat. Now the nut is laying on the back flat portion of the slider, like that. So you can see it backs off quite comfortably. Now we're going to reinstall the locking mechanism. The cylinder that comes up from the post has to go through the hole, and it has to align with these two tabs. The two tabs run in those grooves on the side of the cylinder. It stops the cylinder from rotating when you turn the key. The other thing we got to do is make sure that it's the right way up. So the key goes towards the bottom of the post. The slider always goes towards the top of the post. So we slide that in. At the same time, we're starting the cylinder up through the hole in the post. As you slide the lock kit down, you're feeling for that cylinder to come up through the hole and align with those two tabs. When you feel the cylinder coming up through that hole, don't push it any further. We take the nut and we'll set it on top, right on top of that flat portion, and holding the cylinder even with the top of that hole, we can rotate the nut. Sometimes you might have to flip the nut over, because if it keeps trying to cross-thread itself, you're fighting a losing battle. Just flip the nut over and try it the other way. You don't want it cross-threaded. So sometimes just backing it up a little bit will help. Once it's started, just run it on. At this point, we can take a screwdriver, and using the back edge of the other side of the post, we can use it as a fulcrum and we can tighten up the nut. There we go. That's good. That's it. Now we should test it, make sure it works. So here it goes. Now, there. That's what pushes the latch out of the post, and the post can be removed. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video, and please stay tuned for more tips on our products. Thank you.